Guess what I got today? I had this like sudden urge to dye my hair. Yes, as you can see by the title, we're going from this dark hair, beautiful dark hair, to blonde hair. Because I'm not delusional, I know that it's not gonna go like straight to blonde. I know it's gonna be a process, and I am okay with that. I'm getting a pimple right here because I'm about to start my period. I know it's going to be a process, and that's totally okay with me. I know my hair is probably just gonna be a lighter brown, but that's fine. I've always wanted to see myself like in a light brown. I did an online order and picked up some stuff at Sally's. On TikTok, I seen that the L'Oreal Technique HiColor for dark hair is really popular. And I've seen a lot of people use it, have a lot of success. So I got Honey Blonde, right? Because that's what we're going for. I got 2 of these. And then, however, I also seen Champagne Vanilla, and I really liked, or it's upside down. I really liked the way it looked, and I feel like, I don't know, what if I just mixed it? I feel like this is a really dangerous game to play just to wing it. I don't know, I'm like desperate for change right now. I don't know like what it is. I know what it is. It's just, I just need change, you know? I go through these like cycles of like, you know, redundancy can be kind of obviously boring to me and anyone else. So I just need to like spice it up a little bit, and usually the first thing I do is my hair. And we're not cutting my hair. That's something I usually do. I usually like cut my hair when I'm not doing okay, or if I like desperately want change and it's just like really drastic. And this could be a drastic decision too, which is why I'm not telling anybody. I told one of my best friends, and we're supposed to be FaceTiming tonight. I told her that I was gonna do it while we were FaceTiming. It'll probably already be done. I told my boyfriend that I was gonna dye my hair. I told him I was gonna do it Sunday. I'm doing it today. Today's Thursday. And we have a family party to go to on Saturday. So hopefully it turns out good. But I don't know. I said earlier, like, I'm gonna do my hair, and even if it looks bad, I feel like it's still gonna look good. I'm gonna still look good because I just feel like even if I have bad hair, I'm gonna look good. I don't know. That's just, maybe I'm just vain like that, but I have a lot of faith it's gonna be okay. Moving on. We got the 30 volume developer. That's the suggested developer to use. Since we're not using bleach, we're using this. Some people use 40, and I asked the girl, and she's like, no, like stick with 30, like 40 might like damage your hair. Just start with this. She's like, do you have any dyed hair right now? I was like, nope. This all natural. So I got some grays. I've got some grays. I also got 3 processing caps because I don't have any plastic bags. You know, it's like banned here in California. Oh, and then I got a hair mask. I only got like a little sample of this just because I wanted to see if I liked it, but it had a lot of good reviews. It says avocado oil, argan oil, and manoi. I don't know. Sorry. But it should be fun. Let's do this. But honestly, before I do this, we gotta change because I don't want to ruin this shirt. I really like this top. Do I have to wash my hair before I do this? Or I can leave it dirty? It makes sense to just like leave it. And then I also need to take a dab because I'm not doing this sober. Take a second because I was out of cat food and out of water. So we needed to order that really quickly. Just got my pivot here. The elote man already went by, and I should have gotten a esquite, honestly. I'm hungry, low-key. I don't think I'm hungry. I don't know what I am. Maybe I just need water. I had gloves from the last time I dyed my hair. So let's put these gloves on. I low-key should be waiting for my boyfriend to get here so that way he can help me. I'm just so, when it comes to stuff like this, I just have to do it. Or else like it'll never happen. And I get this like sudden impulse. It's probably just like my impulsiveness. Yeah. We've got my hair, right? This is how long my hair is. So it says to not go for the scalp. And I need to make sure I have a timer on. I put on Vanderpump Rules just for like background noise or whatever. You know, I like to put on TV. Some people put on music. I do put on music sometimes, but I feel like my go-to is usually like a TV show. And then right now it's my comfort TV show is Vanderpump Rules. It has been for the past like year. So yeah. I got this out and ready for when it's time. So I have my 30 developer. I apparently have 20 developer. I feel like I keep saying like, okay, 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 okay. So we got the 20 blonde. Dude, this is like the worst time. Wear suitable gloves. I am. Do I use the whole thing? I'm so confused. Measure. I think I use the whole thing. I like caps like this. And then you have to like puncture it with this. I don't know why I do, but I do. That was crazy. Woo! I gotta open a window. I gotta open a window. That was crazy. That was literally... That was crazy. I'm gonna open the window before I like pass out. Oh my god, so when I picked up my order, there was this girl there and she was like kind of serio, but like, you know, it's whatever. I was still like, fine, we were still vibing. And I was like asking her, I was like, I got 30 developer, do you think that's like okay? She's like, no, you'll be fine and stuff. Because I was like, I seen other people use 40, and then she's like, no, like, you're gonna damage your hair. And then I was like, okay. So, she's like, I've done it before. And I was like, okay, cool. Well, like, I trust you. So let's measure this out. How much is in here? 8 fluid ounces. So it says that I need to do this shit is strong. So be careful, guys. Be careful. Measure 2.5 fluid ounces of 30 developer. So that's like 5 ounces. That's like... I feel like it's that's like 5 ounces. I feel like right now it's not the time to be like just winging it, and I keep doing this. Yeah. Y'all, I'm scared. I'm scared! Do I have to use this right away when I mix it? Oh, immediately after mixing. I don't even have time to do that. Okay, so let's part our hair out real quick. I have thin hair, I just have long hair. That's the issue. That's the issue. Let's see, guys. Dude, this shit is strong. Woo! Woo! I see why, like, this shit was cost $300, you know? Ugh. Dude, what if I pass out on camera? Ah, I feel like I should put these in foil. Oh my god. This is a disaster. Okay, we're moving on. We have to move on, guys. Maybe I just need to hurry up so I can put everything in the cap. Oh no. I mix it in with the other ones. Let's keep this all together. This. And then I have to go back and do my roots. And they say to do that just because of like how hot your head is, and like, you know, it'll cook faster or some shit like that. I know I'm not using the right terminology, but that's what's going on. So my question is though, does the 20 minutes start now, or like the 20 minutes start when I first started? Because I started at 36 and it's 50 now. Which means 20 would be 56, but I just finished this. It's been about 20 minutes. It's been processing. So now it's time for me to do my roots. Roots! Sorry. I'm hungry, y'all. I am hungry. So I'm gonna take this off. It's already looking like lighter. I don't expect it to be blonde, okay? I don't expect it to be blonde. But I do expect it to be lighter. Ah, baby. I gotta get the back of my head too. Fucking end up with a only a brown spot in the back. Look-key, this is what I need, Ethan. Missing some spots, oh well. I'm gonna put this back on and let it process another 10 minutes, I guess. I hope my hair's okay. 10 more minutes. It's been like 10 minutes since oh my god, since I've done my hair. Oh my god, my hair is like lighter. It's like more light on this side, I feel. Oh my gosh. Okay, now it's time to rinse my hair. I'll be right back. This is how it turned out. I could have definitely parted my hair better. You guys see me, I was like low-key rushing, so there's a few dark spots, but I don't think it turned out that bad for my first time like doing something like this. I was really scared. Obviously, you know, we want it to be a little bit lighter, but you know, I have really dark hair, so I think in a couple days, because my hair does not feel bad at all. I have like healthy hair, I feel, because I try to take really good care of it. Like I try not to put heat as much, or I use a lot of IGK products, so like the hydrating hair balm, I use this one a lot. My boyfriend uses this one too. Yeah, I use the Olaplex Bond Oil. I use the Kerastase Glow Drops oil as well. Yeah, my hair does not feel that dry. I'm gonna use this mask probably not tonight, maybe like tomorrow. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm gonna go call my bestie now, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. So this is the second time, and this time I have help. I was really eager last time, which is why like this ended up like still dark. But this is what my hair looks like after a week. This is how light it is. Also, okay, wait, let me show you the back. Okay, so this time I actually went inside the store because I wanted to kind of check it out and see if there was anything else that I wanted. And I actually looked at the color of Champagne Vanilla on the little hairpiece, and it was darker than Honey Blonde. And I was like, that's not what I want. I wanted to go lighter. So I just got another box of the Honey Blonde because I still had another Honey Blonde from last time. Because I ended up buying 3, but I ended up only using 2 boxes. Right? I look a little rough. I look a little rough. It's okay. It's okay because we're going to eventually look hot. I'm actually really scared about this, like, whole process and stuff. Because what if it looks bad? Like, do I have a strong enough face to like carry my hair? I think I do, low key. I don't know. Let's do it. Oh, look at my hair. Look how pretty it looks.
Super smooth.
It's all the oils.
Oil.
Oils of my hair.
Don't tell America. We're gonna get here real quick.
You're so dumb.
When they say she get it from her mama, mama say you fuck her right. Body do this mom like don't be in the humble. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Only hope you slept right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top all the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside.
It's been 20 minutes.
Say where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly.
Time to do my roots.
Good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly. I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly. I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly. I look too good.
Yo, I'm scared I started the shower because it's time to take it up. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Y'all see this? She's looking kind of brassy and I'm a little scared. Please, let it be okay. I'm back. I just took a dab because I'm a little nervous. I took a shower. I rinsed it off. I said I could take a shower, like I could wash my hair with shampoo. And instead of using conditioner, I used a hair mask. Okay, let's see. Oh, also do not judge me about this. I couldn't find my microfiber towel. I'm scared. She looks a little gingerish. Okay. Let's not freak out. Let's blow dry her hair. Maybe it'll look better dry. Oh, I meant to not put that. I meant to put this. This is my favorite thing to use before, like, putting heat in my hair.
I love it.
I don't know if I like it. I think I hate it. I'm trying not to hate it.
It's not. It's really not bad.
I think you're just saying that too because my hair looks really soft.
You look good.
I was just saying that to be nice. Okay, I'm gonna sleep on this and it looks so red on camera. Babe, it looks so red. Does it look so red to you?
It's a little red, but I think it looks good on you. I'm okay. What do you want to do?
Oh, I forgot to record here, taking it down. But if you follow my TikTok, you'll see how I did this. Look at my hair. I didn't like it at first, but I'm low-key digging it. I'm low-key digging it. I feel like Zendaya, actually. That's what I feel like. My hair is super bouncy. Well, I'm gonna go to work now, so bye.